Rashid Mohamed Echesa, Daniel Otieno Omondi, alias General Juma, Clifford Okoth Onyango, Kennedy Oyo Mboya.
May it please the court, Your Honor. My name is Ondiek, together with Mr. Kaemba and Mr. Namati. Yes. The DPP through the DCI had filed a miscellaneous number 6 of 2020, which is still not spent. They have not withdrawn it.
Miscellaneous number?
Number 6 of 2020. And my learned sister, Jacinta Nyamusi, was there. Your Honor, the orders were that today the DPP can go and do, they comply with the law and carry out searches. The searches were done on Saturday. Which was an ambush and a bad fate. To add insult to injury, tomorrow they were supposed to appear before your brother for mention for further directions. They have been brought to Milimani. You know what is the rule of law? It's not just a paper or an expression. It is that court orders must be obeyed. They should first withdraw miscellaneous number 6 of 2020 and say what is the status of that miscellaneous. They cannot appropriate and appropriate at the same time. So that is, I want to have military precision because you said we don't want to waste time. We don't mind. It is their constitutional mandate to prosecute. But they have to prosecute within the framework of the rule of law and due process. They cannot abuse the powers donated to them by the Constitution. Your Lordship, that's why Article 157.11 is very clear. If the process is in abuse, and Your Lordship, I will show you, the governor for Kitui, Charity Ngilu, has written a letter circulating that they should not even be given bond. So we're wondering, who is the prosecutor in this case? Is it Orengo, the senator for Siaya? Is it Charity Ngilu, the governor for Kitui? Or is it Atuori? Is it Atuori Francis, the Secretary General of Kotu? Because they are the people prosecuting this case in the social media. I have the letters here where they are saying they should not be given bond. When did they become prosecutors, magistrates, and judges in this case?
Not
yes.
From the back, so that you can respond also accurately.
Your Honor, we want a direction, a guidance on that issue, strictly. There is a lot of political interference in this case. People are meant to implicate the deputy president, who is not in the charge sheet.
What I was saying
Yes. And we want them to come out clear. If this is to harass the deputy president, let them state it categorically.
I wish these concerns raised by my colleague would have been placed in form of an affidavit. Because at the moment there's nothing I'm responding to, especially issues which have been raised on the back. Your Honor, on the issue of miscellaneous 6 of 2020, I confirm that this is an application presented, which was filed by the prosecution. Your Honor, we cannot be asked to withdraw this application. The orders are still valid. They have not been spent. What we are presenting before this honorable court is a charge sheet. It's not in contravention with the issue which was at JKIA and what is present before you. Itself our submission, Your Honor, that you invite the suspects before you to take plea. You have not disrespected the court at JKIA. And I can say that the orders are still valid, and we still have time. If we intend to withdraw, we will, Your Honor. I add this on the court to invite the suspects to take plea.
Order.
Yeah, Your Honor, by admission of the state, there is an existing miscellaneous application number 6 of 2020. Your Honor, law as a modicum of order. So we are having a situation where the state may embarrass the court at JKIA. They have said they are even subsisting orders. What it was so difficult in making full disclosure, now they are telling us to put affidavits. They ambushed us. We didn't even know they were coming to Milimani. They never disclosed, and they ought to disclose. And we are saying, Your Honor, all these actions by the state is to ambush the accused persons, to embarrass them for nothing. This is political persecution, and it should go on record. And this is not the forum to perpetuate political doctrine. If they don't like somebody, let them tell him to step down, but not to arrest everybody and then they harass them to court. Your Honor, I urge the court to insist that they either withdraw the miscellaneous 6 of 2020 so that you are free, you have a blank check to deal with this case objectively, or if they are having parallel systems which may end up embarrassing this court, Your Honor, I urge you that it is the duty of this court under Article 1.3 to protect, promote, and fulfill the values of the Constitution. Part of those values, Your Honor, is to be transparent, the process to have integrity, and the process to be accountable. It cannot be accountable where the state is admitting that there's a parallel process moving on. And I urge the court to release the accused person on free bond, pending the state making up its mind on what they want.
I've had to mention the rule of law. These are weighty matters. The Constitution, and need time to properly address these issues. Very quickly. Since we have other pleas and in order not to deny others who they want to deposit their bonds, I will give you a ruling at noon. On those matters. Ruling at noon.